If you're dealing with clay soil that turns into concrete in summer and sticky mud in winter, you've probably heard the standard advice about adding compost and sand. But what if I told you there are 3 incredibly effective amendments that most gardeners have never even considered? These overlooked solutions can transform your clay soil faster and more effectively than traditional methods, and they're hiding in plain sight. Expanded shale is the secret weapon that landscape professionals have been using for decades, but home gardeners rarely hear about it. This lightweight, porous rock material is created by heating shale in kilns until it expands like popcorn, creating millions of tiny air pockets that dramatically improve soil structure permanently. Unlike organic amendments that decompose over time, expanded shale creates permanent pathways for air and water movement through clay soil. When you incorporate 3 to 4 inches of expanded shale into the top 8 inches of clay soil, you're essentially creating a 3-dimensional network of drainage channels that won't break down or disappear. This means your soil improvement investment pays dividends for decades, not just seasons. The magic happens at the microscopic level where clay particles naturally bind to the rough, porous surface of expanded shale granules. This binding action prevents clay particles from compacting back together, maintaining soil structure even under heavy foot traffic or equipment use. The result is clay soil that drains properly without losing its natural fertility and nutrient-holding capacity. Application couldn't be simpler. Spread expanded shale over your clay soil in late fall or early spring, then incorporate it with a rototiller or broad fork to a depth of 6 to 8 inches. The irregular shape of the particles creates immediate improvement in soil porosity, while the long-term benefits continue developing as plant roots and soil organisms work around and through the amendment. Most garden centers don't stock expanded shale, but landscape supply companies and concrete suppliers often carry it. Look for horticultural-grade expanded shale with particle sizes between 1/4 and 3/8 inch for optimal results. The initial cost is higher than organic amendments, but the permanent nature of the improvement makes it incredibly cost-effective over time. Calcined clay, most commonly found as non-clumping cat litter, represents one of the most underutilized soil amendments for clay soil improvement. This heat-treated clay product has been processed at high temperatures to create a porous, stable material that improves drainage while simultaneously addressing the pH problems that often plague clay soils. The calcining process creates a unique amendment that acts like tiny sponges in your soil. Each granule can absorb and release water as soil conditions change, preventing both waterlogging during wet periods and excessive drying during drought. This moisture buffering effect is particularly valuable in clay soils that tend toward extremes of wet and dry conditions. More importantly, calcined clay naturally contains calcium and magnesium compounds that help neutralize acidic clay soils over time. Many clay soils are naturally acidic due to poor drainage and organic matter decomposition, creating conditions where plants struggle to access nutrients even when they're present. The slow release of alkaline minerals from calcined clay gradually brings soil pH into the optimal range for most garden plants. Choose unscented, non-clumping clay cat litter made from 100% calcined clay with no additives or fragrances. Brands like Oil Dry or Safe Tea Sorb work excellently and cost far less than packaged soil amendments. Apply 1 to 2 inches over clay soil and work it into a depth of 6 inches, then water thoroughly to activate the clay's moisture-absorbing properties. The beauty of calcined clay is that it provides both immediate and long-term benefits. You'll notice improved drainage within weeks of application, while the pH balancing effects develop gradually over the growing season. This dual action makes it particularly valuable for vegetable gardens, where consistent soil conditions are crucial for optimal plant performance. Biochar represents the cutting edge of soil amendment technology, yet most gardeners have never heard of this incredibly effective clay soil improver. This charcoal-like material is created by heating organic matter in low-oxygen environments, producing a stable carbon structure that can improve clay soil for decades while supporting beneficial soil organisms. The unique porous structure of biochar provides millions of microscopic homes for beneficial bacteria and fungi that are essential for healthy soil biology. In clay soils where poor aeration often limits microbial activity, biochar creates protected spaces where soil organisms can thrive even under challenging conditions. This biological activity is crucial for breaking down organic matter and making nutrients available to plants. Biochar's stability means it doesn't decompose like other organic amendments, providing permanent soil structure improvement similar to expanded shale but with additional biological benefits. The carbon structure creates lasting porosity in clay soil, while serving as a slow-release reservoir for nutrients that might otherwise leach away or become unavailable. Application requires some preparation for best results. Biochar should be charged before use by mixing it with compost or liquid fertilizer for several weeks. This pre-treatment loads the porous structure with nutrients and beneficial microorganisms that immediately benefit your soil upon application. Mix 1 part biochar with 2 parts quality compost, keep moist for 2 to 4 weeks, then apply the mixture to clay soil. Incorporate biochar compost mixture into the top 6 inches of clay soil at a rate of 1 to 2 inches over the entire area. The combination provides immediate organic matter benefits from the compost while establishing the long-term soil structure and biological improvements that biochar delivers. This amendment works particularly well in raised beds or intensive growing areas where long-term soil investment makes economic sense. The real magic happens when you combine these underrated amendments strategically. A mixture of expanded shale for permanent drainage, calcined clay for pH balance and moisture management, and biochar for biological activity creates synergistic effects that transform clay soil more completely than any single amendment. For new garden areas, apply 2 inches each of expanded shale and calcined clay along with 1 inch of charged biochar compost mixture. Work these amendments into the top 8 inches of clay soil, then top dress with 2 inches of organic mulch. This combination addresses drainage, pH, biology, and organic matter simultaneously. The layered approach also works well for established gardens where you can't do major soil disruption. Apply amendments in separate seasons, allowing each to integrate naturally before adding the next. Start with biochar in fall, add calcined clay in early spring, and finish with expanded shale before summer planting. These amendments succeed where others fail because they address the fundamental physical and chemical problems that make clay soil challenging. Instead of temporarily masking symptoms with organic matter that decomposes quickly, these solutions create lasting structural changes that continue improving soil performance year after year. The investment in quality amendments pays for itself through reduced plant stress, improved yields, and decreased need for ongoing soil improvement efforts. Gardens amended with these materials require less frequent watering, suffer fewer drainage-related plant diseases, and support healthier plant growth with minimal ongoing inputs. Most importantly, these amendments work with clay soil's natural properties rather than trying to completely change its character. Clay soil has excellent nutrient-holding capacity and natural fertility. These amendments simply unlock that potential by solving the drainage and pH problems that prevent plants from accessing clay's inherent benefits. Start with 1 amendment in a small test area to see the dramatic difference these overlooked solutions can make in your clay soil. Once you experience the transformation these underrated amendments provide, you'll wonder why more gardeners don't know about these game-changing solutions. If these underrated clay soil amendments have opened your eyes to new possibilities for transforming your challenging garden soil, make sure to subscribe to Hydrohaven for more insider secrets that actually work in real growing conditions. Share this guide with fellow gardeners struggling with clay soil. Sometimes the best solutions are the ones nobody talks about, and your gardening friends deserve to know about these powerful alternatives to conventional soil improvement methods.